an ancient towering castle in the midst of the thick rain forest. Welcome to Tit-Bit Learning. Today we are looking at expanded noun phrases. We know what a noun phrase is made up of. Yes, it's made up of a determiner, words like my, the, a, an adjective, which is a descriptive word, and a noun. For example, we have ball. We could make that into a noun phrase, and that would be the beach ball, my beach ball, her beach ball, this beach ball. And then we could expand that further by using more than one adjective, and that would be the bouncy beach ball. Try 3 adjectives. The colorful bouncy beach ball. To expand our writing further, we would use prepositional phrases, and this is always introduced by a preposition. For example, we have a wide range of prepositions on time, on place, on movements. Prepositions such as during, before, after, until, by, through helps us see the relationship in time. Before bed, after bed, during lunch. Prepositions on place allow us to see the position on, behind, above, underneath, between, among. Prepositions on movement allow us to see the relationship between 2 objects. For example, along, going along the path, throwing the ball from, or going down the slide. Let's try looking at some of the noun phrases and expanded noun phrases we could generate from our pictures. Now, this is a zoo. Let's see a noun phrase for our zoo. A crowded zoo. And that's just a basic noun phrase, isn't it? It has our determiner, it has our adjective, it has our noun. If we were to expand this with a preposition, that would be a crowded famous zoo in popular London. So we have there our preposition. I will just highlight that so you could see. In popular London. All right. Here we have a diamond in a box. Can you expand that with a preposition? Go on. You can pause the video and try it for yourself. A bright, dazzling diamond within an old, rusty box. And yes, that is my preposition there. Within an old, rusty box. Now, how does this work in a sentence, not just a phrase? So we've looked at a lot of phrases. How would this work in a sentence? For example, we have Prince Naya sat on his throne. We could make that the charming, lion-hearted Prince Naya sat on his magnificent throne during the well-attended dinner party. Yes, we have used noun phrases, and yes, we have expanded our noun phrases with a prepositional phrase. Let's highlight our prepositional phrase here. During the well-attended dinner party. That is our prepositional phrase introduced by our preposition of time, during. Can you pick out the noun phrases here? The charming lion-hearted Prince Naya, his magnificent throne. Well done, guys. You have been fantastic. See you next time. Bye.